Umuthi the 24th of November nirio muini Betty Bayo akwagiriire gukungwira muthenya wake wa guciarwo ha 40th birthday. Betty arahurukire thutha wake nginyagia gubanga uria ngiakungwira birthday yake ya 40. Betty posted video ino together with her son Danny uria akoretwo akiuria Danny acagure bururi umwe international uria angienda makorwo magithie niguo ma celebrate birthday hamwe, kuona Betty na Danny they share a birthday together.
Nimekuja kubook a holiday for my coming birthday next month, and funny enough we share the same birthday na yeye, sindio? So now this time around sitaki kwenda na anybody else, it is just me and you and Sky. No.
Akenya ni manyitanira gutuma ndumiriri cia birthday cia gukungwira Betty. Mwini Mr. Seed akiandikira Betty ndumiriri ino akiuga happy birthday to you Bayo, my first and last Groove Award I got through you. You were a blessing to me. Today you celebrate your birthday with angels. Sky akeria uhoro wigi gikuo kia her mom. She promised herself ati no nginyagia a celebrate her mom's birthday, kuona Betty always celebrated special moments in their lives. Sky akiuga bado ndari aretikia her mom is dead, kuona she still feels like she is around. Betty is truly missed both kuma kuri family yake na Akenya aria othe arakoretwo akiumiriria na uini wake. Happy birthday Betty Bayo and rest in peace.